Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super important if you're starting your journey in web development, HTML hypertext markup language. If you've ever wondered how websites are made or want to create your own, HTML is the perfect place to begin. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you should have a text editor and a browser. For text editors, you can use something simple like Notepad or TextEdit, but if you want more features, I recommend Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. These are popular choices among developers because they offer a lot of useful tools to help you write and organize your code. As for browsers, any modern browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Now, I'm going to show you an example of how to use Visual Studio Code and Microsoft Edge to create an HTML page. To start, open Visual Studio Code. Once it's open, select File, then New File. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+N. Next, we need to save this file. Click on Save As or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S. Then, enter the name of your file and choose the file type as HTML. Next, type exclamation mark and press Enter. The basic HTML code structure will automatically appear. Next, click Run and the browser will open. Now we can test some of those tags. And there you have it. Now you can begin creating your own websites. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly web development content. See you in the next video.